Imagine this. You just bought a brand new phone, sleek, shiny, flawless. You peel the factory film off and it's gorgeous. But then comes the nerve-wracking part, putting on that screen protector. One wrong move and suddenly it's trapped dust, annoying bubbles, and an edge that just won't stick down. But not today. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate step-by-step method to install your screen protector bubble-free, dust-free, and stress-free. This isn't just a quick tip, it's the Tony's Top Tech way. And stick around to the end because we've got a contest tease you won't want to miss. But here's the deal. The longer you watch, the better your chances. That's right, watch time matters. Plus, when you're done, don't forget to check out our other guides, like our deep dive on must-have docking stations or our breakdown of the best smart glasses you can get right now. Those links are waiting in the description. All right, let's get into it. Here's the 12 steps to screen protector perfection. Number 12, prepare your workspace. Tony's Take. Start clean, win clean. Links for the top screen protector kits are in the description below. If you don't set the stage right, you'll fail before you even start. The number one rookie mistake? Thinking your biggest enemy is your shaky hands. Nope, your real arch nemesis is dust. That tiny lint particle floating around your room? That's the Thanos of screen protector installs. One snap, and your perfect bubble-free dream is gone. So here's the pro move. Pick a dust-free environment. A bathroom right after a hot shower works like magic because steam bullies dust into submission and forces it to settle. It's like giving your phone a spa day before surgery. And don't forget, turn off fans, slam windows shut, and eliminate any air drafts. You're not just installing a protector, you're building a high-tech clean room, Mission Impossible style. Treat it like a secret lab where your phone is the patient, and the only cure is a perfectly bubble-free screen. Number 11. Wash your hands. Your fingers might sabotage you. Oils, lint, and stray hairs are sneaky culprits. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap, dry with a lint-free towel, and you've just cut the odds of fingerprints messing up your install. Tony's Take. It's simple, but skipping this step, that's how bubbles are born. Number 10. Clean the device screen. One speck of dust equals one permanent bubble. Grab the included alcohol wipe or use a high-quality lint-free cloth. Wipe away smudges and oils, then follow with a microfiber polish. Finally, take a dust removal sticker or low-tack tape to lift hidden particles. This is the most critical step. You want that glass so clean it sparkles under a spotlight. Tony's Take. The cleaner the canvas, the smoother the masterpiece. Number 9. Inspect the screen under bright light. You think it's clean until you tilt it. Hold your device at an angle under strong light, like a desk lamp. You'll catch particles your eyes missed head-on. If you see anything, restart the dust removal. One extra minute here saves hours of frustration later. Patience now prevents regret later. Links for microfiber kits are below. Number 8. Set up the protector and tools. Measure twice, install once. If your kit has an alignment tray or guide stickers, now's the time. Place the protector on your device without peeling the film. Visualize how it will line up with camera cutouts and sensors. This dry run is like rehearsing before the final performance. Tony's Take. Practice once, apply once, regret never. Number 7. Peel the backing film. The countdown begins the moment you peel. Peel back the film covering the adhesive side. Do this only when you're ready. Avoid touching it at all costs. Always handle by the edges. The fewer seconds the sticky side is exposed, the lower the chance dust sneaks in. Tony's Take. Control the peel, control the outcome. Number 6. Align precisely before contact. Alignment is destiny. Line up the screen protector with surgical precision. The camera cutouts and speaker slots are your roadmap. Get this wrong, and no amount of smoothing will save you. Take your time. Steady hands, steady results. Tony's Take. The closer to perfect your alignment, the easier the rest of the job becomes. Number 5. Place the protector gently. Drop it fast. Regret it forever. Lower the protector slowly, starting from the center or one edge depending on design. Gravity should do most of the work. No slamming, no snapping into place. Just a calm descent onto the screen. Tony's Take. Smooth and steady. This is where most people rush and fail. Number 4. Apply even pressure. Pressure makes diamonds and bubble-free screens. Press down in the middle first, Then gently sweep outward with your finger, squeegee, or even a wrapped credit card. Let the adhesive naturally spread, pushing air out to the edges. Done right, it looks like magic as the protector bonds seamlessly. Tony's take. This is the most satisfying moment. Watch your protector lock in. Number 3. Remove air bubbles. Don't panic when you see them. Small bubbles? Push them out. Dust bubbles? Gently lift the edge nearest the speck, use a dust removal sticker, then reapply. The trick is not panicking. Most bubbles are fixable if you act quickly and carefully. Tony's take. Bubbles are not failures. They're just part of the process. Number 2. Finish with final polishing. Shine it like it's fresh out of the box. Seal the edges by pressing firmly around the borders. Then take your microfiber cloth and polish the screen protector. This removes streaks, fingerprints, and gives you that just-installed clarity. Tony's take. This is where your phone goes from DIY to pro finish. Number 1. Let the protector settle. Patience pays off. Don't throw your phone in your pocket right away. Give the adhesive a few hours to fully bond. Avoid pressing too hard on the screen. By the time it settles, you'll have a crystal clear protector that looks invisible. Tony's take. Respect the bonding time and you'll have a flawless finish. And there you have it. The Tony's Top Tech foolproof method to installing a screen protector without bubbles or dust. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you never miss another Tony's Top Tech tutorial. Remember, the longer you watch, the more it helps us, and the more chances you'll have in our upcoming contest. I can't tell you what the prize is yet, but trust me, you'll want in. When you're done here, check out some of our other videos. Our breakdown of the best smart glasses you can buy right now. Our in-depth look at why docking stations are game changers for remote workers. And of course, our Hot Shots playlist, rapid-fire tech tips you didn't know you needed. Links are in the description below. This is Tony's Top Tech, where we make your gadgets work better for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hit the follow button and check out Tony's Top Tech on other platforms. For more tech review, see you in the next one.